Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. In today's video I will share with you the easiest way to install Windows XP without any other additional software like Easy2Boot or PowerISO. Without any hesitation, let's get started.
First thing, download RAR files from link below description or comments. Next step is to unzip and get into the folder. Then all we have to do is to open Rufus and follow the steps I done in the video. Make sure you select the ISO inside the folder. If everything is ready now, let's start the process. After finishing, plug USB stick into older PC and select boot key according to your manufacturer. I left in the right corner a list of manufacturer and key you may need to press. Do not unplug the USB stick until I will tell you. Let's start now.
After creating partition and finishing the process, PC will need to restart, so be ready to press again your boot key, and this time make sure you boot from hard drive. Installation process has started. I speed up video. All you have to do is to press next and yes. After PC is restarting, make sure you boot key and select boot from hard drive. After welcome screen appears, you can unplug USB stick, go through the process of finishing, and that's it. Windows XP is installed now. Thank you very much for watching. I will appreciate if subscribe, like, and share for developing a brilliant community together.